Yay, Sasquatch. Hurrah for Sasquatch. Oh, what a good boy you are. Oh my goodness, you're so good. Look at you. Look at that baby. Oops, that wasn't good. Oops. Nah, you just want to be petted, huh? Or to rip my pants. That's okay too. These are my bird pants. Yep, here you go for that, huh? Can I pet you? Oh, yes, I can. I can pet my Sasquatch. She's a good boy. Aren't you a sweetheart? Aren't you a good boy? Sasquatch. I like those things there. You know, I do. I think they make my pants pretty. Are you sure you have to do that? Careful of biting me while you do that. Hey, hey, you're getting a little rough. Cut that out. Ooh, nice, Sasquatch. Aw, baby. Baby boo-boo. He's a little baby boo-boo bird. Sasquatch is my baby bird. You like that? Not the finger. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? You just want my pants ripped. And I'm getting in your way. Am I getting in your way on that issue? Sasquatch? You're still pretty good for a fourth day out, huh? Oh, you look worried. It's okay. Aw, Sasquatch. Of course it's okay. You're a good boy. Hey, Sasquatch. You're my baby. There you go. Yay, Sasquatch.